Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So in today's video, we're going to be using my round extra short soft gel full nail covers. As always, you guys already know the drill. These are available for purchase in my Etsy shop and the link will be down below. Just going in now, and before I do any design or anything, I always go in and I size the nails out to make sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. I did not include prep in this video. If you want to wear these nails long term, I'll put a link down below to a video where I include my full prep routine. These are soft gel full nail covers and not ABS plastic, so they're higher quality and they're going to last you a longer time. I get a lot of questions on how long they last, and these typically last me about 3 weeks plus. So here's the products that I'm using. We're going to start off with the design, which is a little bit backwards, but I'm going to be showing you guys how I encapsulate designs. I purchased these in my prior nail haul. I call them like cracked seashells. I have no clue what they're called, but that's what they remind me of. And somebody in the comments asked me to do a video using them. I have a whole bunch of different colors of these. I've never used them before, so this is going to be one method of how I use them. I'll probably do more videos in the future, but all I'm doing is going in with some clear polygel. As you can see earlier, I use alcohol as my slip solution, and then I'm just covering my nail wall to wall. When you're using this polygel, since we're encapsulating it, you want to go in with a thin but not too thin layer of polygel and cover your nail wall to wall. After covering your nail wall to wall, you can go in and just go in with any colors you want. I mix and match them in a design I want. I kind of tried to keep it center because I'm going to be going in with some gold decal around the whole entire nail. So yeah, you can just go in with any design you want, and then after that you can go in and cure. So after curing, we're going to be using the light apricot polygel by Model 1s to finish off our nails. So now after that first layer is fully cured, you can go in now with your light apricot polygel and just finish off the rest of the nails. So the typical amount that you would put in for polygel, you want to just split it half and half between the clear and the base color. That's the best way I can describe it. You'll definitely get the hang of it. You just want to make sure that when you do that first layer, you don't add too much, because it's just going to be harder for you to add the base layer and then apply it to your nail. But yeah, it's super easy, and if you mess up, you know, just start over. It's really easy to get the hang of. And then after you apply that base layer, you just pop it on there. If you get any excess around your cuticles, you can just go in with your brush and clear that off before going in and doing your final cure. So here we are, final cure. Now we're just going to go in with that light apricot polygel on all of the rest of our nails and cure. I get the question a lot because I never show curing in the video because my videos will be so long. I take about 30 to 45. It just depends. Sometimes I do all 4 fingers to eliminate the time my hand is in and out of that lamp, and then I cure. But sometimes I have to go in and do them one by one because maybe the polygel is a little bit gooey, so my nails are kind of moving around, so I have to cure each and every one of them. It just depends. So I always cut out cure time because my videos will be like 20 minutes long, because it takes me about 30 seconds to cure each nail in between. And sometimes if I'm doing designs and stuff and top coat and everything, you know, it can just take an unnecessary long time. So you can just go in, for safe measures, just go in and cure each of your nails for 30 seconds each. And then after you finish curing all 5 fingers, then you can go in and do a full cure with all fingers in for, I would say, a good minute, just to be safe. But typically, like I said, to really cut down that time your hand is in that lamp, if you have a good polygel like this one by Model Ones that doesn't really move around too much, you can definitely do all 4 fingers. Always leave your thumbs separately, and then you can go in and cure for another minute. If you guys are interested in this polygel, I definitely do recommend Model Ones polygel. Model Ones and MAKARRT are my top 2. Their polygels are just super consistent for me in terms of quality and texture. So if you guys are interested, I'll have my Amazon storefront link down below where I have some of my favorite polygel kits that I recommend. I get that question a lot. If you're a beginner, what polygel kit do you recommend? And I have a whole Amazon storefront dedicated to this. So I'll be sure to leave the link to that down below, and also the direct link to this exact polygel down below as well. Alright, so after you finish curing and applying your nails, we're going to go in with a 80/80 grit nail file. This is a alcohol pumper that I purchased off of Shein, and these are lint-free wipes. I'm just going to go in and give my nails a quick wipe down before going in and filing. These nail files are amazing. If you've never tried 80/80 grit nail files before, definitely give them a try. They are a true game changer. I'm just going in and doing a quick file. Since we did use soft gel full nail covers, that's really the beauty of them and why I love them so much. It literally takes 2 seconds to file the nails because you're really just perfecting that shape at this point, since it's already pre-done for you. And if you have problems shaping, or if you're a beginner, I'm not even a beginner, but I'm not the best at shaping at all. I really do have problems, and it is quite difficult for me. So these totally changed the nail game because it just made it so much easier. So I definitely recommend giving them a try if you never tried them out before. So here's what the nails are looking like. At this point, if you did fully prep your nails, I would recommend going in and washing your hands off just to make sure that you get all of that dust and debris off. But for me, for now, I'm just going in with a lint-free wipe and wiping them down. So now I'm going in with my all-time favorite top coat. This is my regular gel top coat by Model 1s. This is my absolute favorite. It is not a no-wipe top coat. I'm sure their no-wipe top coat is amazing. I just haven't tried it because this one really works well for me, and it keeps my nails super glossy long-term, which is what I love. I've tried super high-end top coats, no-wipe top coats. I tried it all, and within like a week, my nails get dull. With this top coat by Model 1s, the basic one, not the no wipe, just the regular gel top coat, my nails stay shiny for long. So I really love that. I'm going in now with these nail stickers that I purchased off of, I believe, Amazon, and I'll try and find the link for them down below, and I'll add them down below. But I'm just going in with some tweezers and taking that off and putting it on there. So as you can see, I did the top coat first. Since these are like a full sticker, I went in with the top coat first, and they're a shiny sticker. It just would have looked a little bit weird if I put top coat on top of this. In terms of longevity, I'm not too sure because as you guys know, sometimes I sit and I do multiple sets of nails at once. So I can't speak to the longevity of them, but when I put them on, they seem to be really super sticky. So I don't think you'll have a problem with them. Going in with some cuticle oil now as the last and final step. You want to make sure that you invest in a really good ultra hydrating cuticle oil. And here's the final design. So I'm trying to show you guys a close-up of what that encapsulation looks. I hope you can see it well. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow along. Let me know below in the comments. But I love you guys so much, and I'll be sure to catch you in my next video. Bye!
You